Welcome to DirectorStudio. I'm Chris from Odeon Software. I will be covering how to present an event, focusing on connecting hardware, configuring the control board, and controlling the ATEM Mini. There's a variety of different hardware you can connect to your iPad that DirectorStudio can recognize and interact with. An external monitor can display your presentation to your audience. With an ATEM Mini video switcher, you can display different cameras, run macros, and display media pool images. Additionally, you can turn HomeKit devices on and off as a part of automating your workflow. You can capture an HDMI video source using Febon's UVC device. You can also access different hardware such as external storage, keyboards, and microphones. Based on the iPad connection type you have, you may connect using a Lightning to HDMI adapter, a USB-C to HDMI adapter, or a USB-C hub with an HDMI connection. You may also go wireless using Apple AirPlay. As you can see here, once the iPad is connected to the monitor, the output displays directly to the monitor. The USB Video Class Device, or UVC, enables the iPad to receive video from any HDMI video source. The device uses a general-purpose capture card to convert the HDMI signal into a USB webcam signal that is then processed by the UVC. The video is then sent to the iPad using USB-C or a USB to Lightning connection. The video is then displayed on the iPad. When using an iPad with USB-C, connecting a hub allows using an external monitor, the UVC device, an external microphone, and much more, all at the same time. For a USB-C hub with an Ethernet adapter, the ATEM Mini connection can be wired instead of wireless. DirectorStudio is aware of the hardware connected and enables, for instance, the UVC panel when displaying the ATEM Mini Multiview, the ability to utilize touch to control the event. By using the ATEM Mini control and macro buttons, along with the Action and HomeKit buttons, the DirectorStudio operator can conduct the perfect event. To edit the control board, tap the toolbar button. There are up to 4 panels on the left that contain the available buttons: the Action buttons, the ATEM control buttons, the ATEM macro buttons, and the HomeKit buttons. The ATEM buttons are only available when an ATEM Mini is connected. The control board is on the right. The Action panel allows adding action buttons, which allow the execution of multiple commands at once. Tap the plus button to add the action and give it a name. You can add one or more commands to the action button. The command types are DirectorStudio commands, HomeKit commands, Zoom meeting commands, ATEM controls, ATEM macros, and ATEM media selection. This action command is being created to set up DirectorStudio for presenting on a Zoom call. First we will add the ability to toggle the audio on and off. We will then add a command to toggle the transitions on and off. Once completed, tap on the left of the action panel and the panel will be dismissed. the new command is added to the action panel. It can then be dragged onto the control board The control board editor can then be dismissed by tapping on the toolbar button. And then you can execute the command simply by tapping on the button in the control board. The control area of DirectorStudio contains the control board panel, the ad hoc activities panel, the ATEM control panel. The ATEM control panel may be customized to hide button sections or to change the order of the button sections. The default order can be reset if desired. The ATEM macro panel displays all available macros with their defined colors. HomeKit buttons allow turning HomeKit devices on and off. Simply tap the button to execute the command or macro.